Hi friends, you can see dataset which have header, item code, product code, quantity and unit. Through item code, we found all details like this. When we change item code, product code, quantity and unit change according to the item code. How to find multiple results through one item code? Watch this video till the end, you will get answer. I am Farhan, you are watching DigiMastery channel. Let's start. First we copy this dataset, Ctrl C and create new sheet, and Ctrl V paste it over here and adjust it like this. Now copy this item code and paste it in G4 cell. Select this cell and go over here and select option Merge and Center. Now copy this item code and paste here in G5 cell and format it. Now select H5 cell and enter here is equal to match formula. MATCH match bracket start. Now here first argument is lookup value. In this case lookup value is G5. Click on this cell and press F4. Only one time to lock this value, that is relative and absolute cell referencing. If you learn more about relative and absolute cell referencing, please click on I button. Now enter comma. Now second argument is lookup array. We know this match formula array is not dynamic. To solve this here, we use offset function. Right here offset bracket start. Here first argument is reference and that is A1 cell. Press F4 one time to lock this value. Now for row, we select this H4 cell. We skip here column, just enter comma, and for height we select 1000. Why we enter 1000? In future we can enter new data here. You can enter 1000 or 2000, that is up to you according to your dataset. Bracket close, comma. Now for match formula, enter comma here. For exact match, enter 0. Now close the bracket and press enter. You can see 5, that is 5th row. If you drag it down, there is problem in row counting. To fix this, in formula we enter plus and this cell H4. Now press enter, and this time when we drag it down, that will fix our problem of row counting. Now select this cell, write here is equal to sign, index bracket start. First argument is array. Here we select all B column like this, comma. For row number enter H5 cell, bracket close, press enter. Now drag horizontal and double click on this cell. And here we change cell address H5. Press enter. Again we drag this and repeat the process. Now select these cells and drag it down. Now select this column and hide this column, that is our helper column. Now write here product code, quantity and unit and format it like this. Now you can see when we change only item code, multiple detail of this item code is changed. The main formula is this match formula. We can use offset formula for dynamic array and we get our desired result. And the second step is the index formula. I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And don't forget to like it. Hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.